Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make some easy and cool drawings. So first we are starting with making a cute penguin. As you can see, we are starting with making the body and then we are making an eyes near her, and then you can see we are coloring it with black marker and some more different color combinations, and then you can see it is ready and it is looking so good. Let's move ahead. Here we are making drawing of a panda around some bamboos. First we are making the face and the body of the panda. Then we are making the bamboos around him, and after that we are going to color him with black and white color only. Here we've used black marker for coloring our panda, and then we're gonna color the bamboos around it with green color, and then the feet of the panda with some pink color. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute chick hatching from an egg. First we are making the body of the chicken, and then we are making the eggshell which is half cracked, and then we are going to color the body, and then we are going to color the egg. After that you can see we are giving egg a very different and unique effect by spotting it with two colors, and then it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making drawing of a beautiful butterfly. Starting with the body of the butterfly, we will make the wings, and then we are going to detail it, and then we are coloring the body with black marker and the wings with blue color and the face with yellow color. After that you can see your beautiful butterfly is ready and it is looking so good. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a cute bunny. Here we are starting by making the face of the bunny. Then we will draw the eyes and the ears. After that we are detailing the eyes and giving it a cute effect. Then we are moving ahead towards the body and we are making a small carrot as well. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a hen. Starting with the body of the hen, we will make the wings and then the legs, and then we are coloring it with yellow color, and then you can see it is done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a dog. Starting with the face of the dog, we will draw the eyes, and then we are giving a cute effect to the eyes, and now we are drawing nose and the mouth, and then we will proceed towards the body of this. After that we will highlight the effect, then we are going to color it with skin color, and then you can see it is almost ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are using some number technique. We are making 5 and some zeros, and we are transforming it into a cute rabbit, and then you can see it is ready. Thanks for watching.